Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account or activity on it doesn't follow our community guidelines on spam, which means if you try to log in into your account or try to do something like share or follow or like something or post, and you see this kind of error while you log in into your account that Instagram has suspended your account, and it is because of your activity or your account which doesn't follow our community or guidelines, and your account is also not visible to people on Instagram and you can't use it. So how you can fix that? So first of all, you have to simply click on disagree with the decision, and you have to tell all the details about your Instagram account, and you have to convince Instagram that you have not violated any kind of community guidelines. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to, if you have already tried that and it is not working, then you have to simply open the Safari here, and in Safari you have to simply open a new tab here. In new tab, what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram Help Center, and after that you have to simply search for that. And here what you have to do, you have to simply search for a suspended account, and after that what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have to tell all the details on Instagram that your Instagram is disabled. And after that, you have to simply click on was this helpful, and you have to click on no. And after that, you have to click on the solution doesn't work for you. And after that, you have to tell all the details to Instagram team that what is the problem you are having. So here what you have to do, you have to simply provide all the details here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply paste the description which I have already written, which is written, hello Instagram team, when I try to log in my Instagram, it shows we suspended your account even though I have not violated any kind of community guidelines. Kindly help me in this regard. And after that, you have to simply submit this after providing your email address, so that Instagram team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. And in this way you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.